Subscribe if you love birds. Here are 5 short facts about birds. Feathers. Birds are the only animals with feathers, which help them fly, stay warm, and attract mates. Hollow bones. Many birds have hollow bones, making them lightweight and better adapted for flight. Migration. Some birds, like Arctic terns, migrate thousands of miles each year between breeding and feeding grounds. Diverse species. There are over 10,000 species of birds worldwide, ranging from tiny hummingbirds to massive ostriches. Communication. Birds use songs and calls to communicate, mark territory, and attract mates.